Alright guys, deal of the century right in front of me. I have big plans for it. Need to get some other stuff done first. Volkswagen, this 2000. It'd be cool to do something with this with someone on Instagram. I know that his channel's getting bigger. And his Instagram's pretty awesome. He has one of these, and it's jacked and it's awesome. Okay, Jay Seaton. I think it's Jay Seaton 32. I can't remember the Instagram. I think so. But Dash in Cars YouTube channel. Chatted with this guy some. He's really cool. I like what he's done with his 4-wheel, all-wheel, floor time, Wago, crazy thing. It's super awesome. He takes it off-road. He does some crazy stuff. As you see, man, I got mountains all around me. I got trails everywhere. Up there on top of that is free government land, BLM. I can go up there, I can wheel, I can do stuff. So this is what I want to do with this. Let's show you. Dun dun dun. Boom. Looky here, looky here. Hot dang, hot dang. Hot dang. Let's get into this. Let's get up in here. Look at that. Look at that. A live axle. 4-wheel drive. Honda wagon. Hot dang. You won't believe how much I picked this up for. See, there are motor parts because apparently the head gasket's bad. The dude started taking stuff apart, had no idea what to do. The interior is not the best, and it's not the worst. But look. Oh, super low. 4-wheel drive, full-time 4-wheel drive activation button, something like that. Has all the cool cluster, 276,000 miles. It shows 4-wheel drive stuff into there. It's kind of cool. There it is. There it is. Dashing Cars. Let's build this. Let's jack this live axle up. Let's put some crazy stuff up front. Let's move some wheel wells. Let's add some big tires. I'll work on getting the motor put back together from the previous owner. I was thinking about even putting the D series from the EF sedan in the here. Old 12 valve setup here. Man, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. So there you go. Dashing Cars. If you want to do this with me, anyone else maybe want to collab, do something on this, I think it'd be really cool to make the old Wago an all-wheel drive monster. So that is plans on that. The S2000 is parked. I drove it around a couple times. The garage is pretty much dried. We used it today for Easter, for an Easter activity before everyone's gone for the weekend. And I'm just prepping everything for a rainstorm because tomorrow's supposed to rain. So I definitely want to get some of the stuff going. I've been working on plumbing. AC's been going in, more concrete, framing, stairs. So that's what I've been up to. I am not lost. I know there's been some slower uploads so far. I've just been busy with the house and life, and kids, and work, all that fun stuff. Alright, look, garage floor with food on it. Yay! Chairs, dirt bikes, picnic table, all my plumbing, a lot of plumbing. Let's go inside. This is the fun stuff, guys. Let me not trip and die. So I've been working on these walls, staircase, upstairs, windows, roof, bathroom stuff, getting it all prepped on this side. My side's about done. We got windows fixed. Got a couple walls we want to change. Since it's a custom home, we can do that. Because I'm doing it, we can do that. So a few things here we want to move around in this section. Got some windows fixed. So now they're up to code. Kids won't have a bad view. It's not too bad of a view for a kid room. So that's pretty awesome. Getting to see. I know there's always deer coming through here and some other stuff. So it'll be really cool to let the kids and Seth have a cool view of their big backyard where we can do all the fun stuff. It's not too shabby, guys. It's getting dark. Okay, guys. There's an update on the house. What's going on, where I've been. I really want to get the S2000 inside. So I start drilling, cutting metal. Also the Volkswagen, so I can finish putting in the carpet kit. And then I can do the final glass and seal install. So that way if I have to park it outside, no, I can park it outside. It'll all be good and clear. No issues there. Won't get rain and stuff inside. And the paint, a lot of you have seen the $50 Rust-Oleum roll-on paint job. It's like, it looks really good still. So I'll do an update video on that. Half of it has been outside for literally the last 6 months, 8 months, something like that. So I'll have to show you that. So there's the update. It's been windy and ridiculous, and I'm trying to get stuff done on the house, so that's where I've been. And the S2000, like I said, is driving, which is awesome. So yeah, fun stuff going on. Jay Sutton, I think that's how you say your name. Hit me up. Any other off-road shenanigan, Honda, all drivers wants to hit me up. Maybe do a little collab. Get you out here in southern Utah. We'll build something and we'll go off-road in all the free land and do some crazy stuff off-road. Bring your cars, something like that. Okay guys, till next time.